Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is CryptoTakeOver, and I wanted to bring down an update video on Market Cipher. Today is November 24th, around 12:30 noon. And last night, guys, I wanted to put out another video for y'all. I don't want to bombard y'all with videos, but if I see something in Market Cipher and it's concerning, then I feel like I need to release that to y'all. And just because the markets right now are very dangerous, they're in a dangerous place, and we are on a pivot point, to be honest. And with that being said, I feel like I'm still a part of this space and I'm still looking at things, but I just want to make sure that we can see like what's going on exactly. Take a look at it I'm taking a look at it from a different perspective, So I appreciate everyone that's subscribing, and if y'all want to give me a little bit more engagement in the comments, that would be great. Go ahead and like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. I have links down in the description below on some programs that y'all can get started with and some softwares. So what I noticed last night, y'all, our 1 hour, put in a blood diamond here. Nothing really big happened with that, but as you can see, maybe they take a while to play out sometimes. And then we go to our 2 hour. In our 2 hour, we had what could have been almost like a blood diamond. But down here on Cipher B, if these don't get past pivot point, then most of the time they're gonna put in either blood diamond or yellow X. And as you can see here, we almost had a blood diamond put in, but it more or less just a red X and red diamond. But then we get into our 3 hour and our 4 hour. Actually, our 4 hour was what I really noticed. We had our yellow X manipulation. And guys, just take a look at what's been happening every time we get a yellow X. And this hit last night on the 4 hour. It wasn't confirmed, and I was like, I'm not gonna be too worried about it. I'll let it ride. Like, it's not a big deal. And then I'm trying to figure out if one of our yellow X's just hasn't played out overall really well. But the more we look back at this, the more y'all are like, we've been having a lot of yellow X's lately, y'all. So it doesn't look good. And yellow X on our 5 hour as well, yellow X. And as you can see, after our following of our yellow X, we have some moves to the downside. So and it may not be a lot like right here, but then we get to our 6 hour, and the higher we go up on our time frames, the more these are more concerning. So we did have our 6 hour yellow X as well. And I don't know, Monday is going to be interesting, y'all, but it looks like we have come all the way down to 7,000 again. And we are in that area, that golden pocket area on our fib retracement. So we're still hanging out in there, but we need to see something major by tomorrow, I would say. I still think something's up with the markets, though. Something just doesn't feel right to me. And then so we still have, so all the way until our 6 hour, we had a red dot put in. It looks like we had a green dot right after our red dot here. So that's a good sign as well. And then our 7 hour, we had a red dot. And then, okay, so let's take a look at our 12 hour. Our last yellow X, I think, was on the 7 hour, yeah. And so if that's followed, if our 8 hours followed by yellow X, like, I would just be careful, but as you can see, we had that big yellow X here on our 12 hour. I'm really considering these 12 hour time frames quite a bit, so I don't even think we've gotten a buy signal on our 12 hour at all. Let's take a look. Still no buy signal on our 12 hour, so 11 hour, I think was the last one was a sell. There's a buy on the 11 hour. So I mean, we could see something by tomorrow. The yellow X was just pretty concerning, and I would love to update y'all with it, but it hadn't confirmed on the 4 hour, and I was already going to sleep, so it's like, okay. So let's see what Monday brings us. We are going to have a gap put in on our CME futures. So our CME futures closed at 7,300, and we are at 7,000 right now, so we'll have a gap that's going to get put in there as well, and maybe they'll go up and fill that gap, or we see what else happens. But we still take a look at our higher time frames. Our 3-day still looks like it wants to come down a little bit. 4-day, 5-day, 6-day, all saying that we need to put in a big green dot, and we need to get below that oversold threshold on our Cipher B for those to put in a big green dot, and for me to feel a little bit more comfortable about maybe putting in a long or something like that. If y'all are interested in leverage trading, I do have the Bybit link down below. It is not recommended if you're new at trading. Literally, you can screw yourself over pretty big with it, but it is down there if y'all want to give it a try. It's a way to support my channel. If not, then just dollar cost average, hodl on, and you should be good. So guys, just be wary of these markets right now, but I did want to push out a video for y'all about those yellow X's being put in. We'll see what the rest of the day and Monday holds for us, and maybe I'll come back with another video by tonight. And let's see, I would say we could retest 6,800 for sure. I know double bottoms don't really like to play out in crypto. Like the last 3 or 4 double bottoms we've had, they never played out, so it'll be interesting. But yeah, I'll update y'all later tonight. Y'all have a great day. I'm gonna get my day started, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace.